Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good. Now in this video, we will do the November 2024 AFM RTP question on stock lending scheme. As I told you earlier in my concept video, friends, this stock lending scheme was a question which was there in your earlier study material but later on removed, and it has now come in what? In your RTP. So your questions for May 2025 point of view, friends, both November 24 and May 25 RTP are very much relevant to all of you. Is everybody clear with this part? Now, Mr. A is holding 10,000 shares of a face value of 100. So I'll just put a diagram to understand this part. Mr. A, so I'll put a person over here. Let us say this person is Mr. A, all right. He is holding 10,000 shares of 100 rupees each. 10,000 shares of 100 rupees each of Messrs. X, Y, Z. He wants to hold these shares for long term and does not have any intention to sell. On 1st January 2020, Messrs. ABC has made a short selling of Messrs. XYZ shares and approached Mr. A to lend the shares under stock lending scheme. So there is another company over here called as Messrs. ABC. He has lent his shares of XYZ, correct? His share of XYZ to whom? ABC. All right. Under the scheme, the shares are to be borrowed for a duration of how many months, friends? 3 months. So now I will write down over here working number 1, basic data. Point number A, duration. So everyone tell me how much duration that you have over here. Do you have duration of 3 months? Yes, from 1/1/2020 to 31/3/2020. All right. The lending fees is how much percentage, friends? 1%. Lending fee 1% to be paid every month. Bank guarantee will be provided as collateral. So down. Bank guarantee will be the collateral. Fantastic. Cost of bank guarantee will be 8%. Cost of bank guarantee 8% per annum, and the company XYZ has declared a dividend of 25%. Declared of 25%. Down they have given the closing prices of friends over here. That is given as in 1020, 1040 and 1050. So the prices are going on increasing. Scenario 1 bullish. Scenario 2 is supposed to be bearish, friends. They have written it wrong. Here it is supposed to be bearish. So it's in your study material. Yes. Fine. Shall I next part now? Let's come down now. After they have the data, we are asking you that you are required to find out the earnings of Mr. A through stock lending scheme. So friends, under stock lending scheme, Mr. A will get what? He will get two things. One, he will get lending charges. Two, he will get dividend. Whereas these two things will be the expenditure for whom? For Messrs. ABC. Apart from that, Messrs. ABC will get mainly what? He will get the gain or loss on short selling. All right. Keeping this in your mind, let me go to the solution part. Part 1, we need to go and find out what? We need to find out what is going to be our lending fee. They have told the lending fee is going to be how much percentage, friends? 1%. So when the price is 1020, you will get a lending of 10.2. 1040, you get 0.4. 1050, you get 10.5. When it comes to 9, you get 9.8. 960, you get 9.6. 940, 9.4. Total lending charges you get 31.5 or 28.8. Correct? Now, shares 1,000 and 10,000. The number of shares 3 lakh here, 2 lakh over here. Apart from that, he will also get the dividend income, 25 rupees of income. Yet 31 plus 25 will give you 56 and 53. Into 10,000 will give you 5,61,000. What about the other one, friends? 5,38,000. I hope you're all clear with this part. Now we will find out whether ABC is making a gain or ABC is making a loss. ABC would have sold the stock at 1,000. Later on, he's going to buy back at 1,050. Will he make a profit or a loss? He makes a loss. Apart from that, he has to pay lending fee. Apart from that, he will also have, friends, 8%. Even that will come over here. Together, he ends up paying 100. The second, he sells at 1,000, buys back at 940. He makes a profit of how much, your friends? 60. Minus 28.8. My profit will be 11.2. ABC will either of 10 lakh 11,000 or he will make a profit of 1 lakh 12,000. This is how we calculate the security lending scheme, where Mr. A, the person who is lending the share, he will receive lending charges and dividend, and Messrs. ABC will pay lending charges, will pay dividend, and in the end will receive either gain or loss on short selling. I hope this video is clear to all of you, friends. Thank you so much.